This is what the previous owner thought was a good way to mount wires. Not really sure what's going on with that. I did finally cut off the abomination of propane tank holders, and we've removed the weird hitch thing, and we're ready to put on a proper new one once we get all the rust ground off. There we go. Alright, well, it's hot out here. I finished sanding and painting the back part. Also gave a little touch up on the brake drums. All the extra little welded pieces that weren't part of the stock trailer have been removed and sanded flat. You can see everything's looking a little bit better now. So the back half is done, and the front half needs to be done next. But we are looking at some serious heat out here, and I think this is going to be enough for today. Okay, so this is PUL. It's a polyurethane laminate fabric. I've heat sealed the edges with a regular clothes iron, and as you can see, I've put a pop bottle in the end with an elastic band, so I'm thinking that's the weak point. But it's got water in it right now, and it's fairly full. And so here we go. I'm just going to see how much it takes, and can I stand on this. There we go. That's putting more than 30 pounds of weight on there. Not that I've got it exactly measured, but it looks like that's where it was leaking on my first test. So I think we just need to do a better job of making one of these bags and see if it actually holds up. But without pressure, that was not leaking at all previously. So there we go. All right.